There's a lot of variations for Cobra pose. One of them, as I'm familiar with calling it, baby Cobra, is a great gentle alternative. Start by laying down on the belly and support your head on your stacked hands or forearms. We want to create space in the low back. Lift the right leg, reach out through the big toe, release the leg and do the same on the other side. Lift, lengthen, and lower. Press down through the feet and out through the toes. The muscles of the legs engage. The hands are placed in alignment with the chest, palms down, elbows hug in and back. And inhale, float the heart forward, the gaze forward. And with your exhale, slowly release down the forehead to the floor. Readjust if necessary. And with your inhale, lengthen up and out of the pelvis. The heart reaches forward, the gaze forward. And maybe the head side to side, getting into the neck. And with your exhale, slowly release the forehead down to the floor. We'll do this once more, readjusting if needed. Inhale, lift and lengthen up and out of the pelvis, the heart forward, a steady breath. If you want to do even more, you can float the legs, the hands off the floor, keep reaching out through the toes. Keep the integrity of the shoulders. And with your exhale, release the hands, the legs, the forehead down and support the head. Take a breath here. When you're ready, inhale to press up through table and exhale into child's pose. At least a few breaths here. You can always stay longer. Namaste.